Alpha Day, everybody, and welcome to Engineering Guam's Future. I'm Sabrina Salas Matanane. This is a limited series podcast that we've kind of put together here at our companies to celebrate Engineers Week. And this week, we're going to be talking to our team of engineers that has the time because they are super busy these days. And so with me now, I have Puneeth. Puneeth, thank you so much for coming on. I know you've got a lot of work to do. Let's just start with what project you're assigned to.
Currently, I've been assigned for P326. It's a warehouse project. So our main scope of work is civil. So we do a lot of foundation excavation work, fire water lines, storm drains, chilled water lines, and then some landscaping work in P326.
So how long have you been an engineer?
It's been 13 years for me since I completed my civil engineering. After that, 2 years, I studied masters in highway technology, and for 8 years, I'm into research work. I submitted my PhD thesis, waiting for my final presentation, and now I'm here. I have 5 years of teaching experience in the SJB Institute of Technology. Yeah, my core subjects are surveying, basic civil engineering, highway technology and transportation, and then pavement materials, and even concrete technology. So these are my core subjects and my core areas where I work. And I have, from past 8 years, I've been into consultancy and so many for other companies. I worked as a consultant for civil engineering projects.
13 years, you said? That's quite a long time.
Yes.
How did you get
It's
into
been a long journey.
right? How did you get into this particular field of engineering? Is it something you always wanted to get into?
Since from my childhood, all my family, my father was a civil contractor. So I've been grew up with civil engineering construction, looking into a lot of civil engineering works. So that motivated me to come into the civil engineering field. Yeah, and then uh, there are a lot of things are there to be
Your
in love
family,
with civil engineering.
your family must be happy.
Yeah,
Then you followed in the family business and family.
family.
It's
Yeah, definitely, definitely. Yeah.
mm,
So from past 30 to 40 years, yeah, the entire my family are in civil construction business. And then uh, some of the research activities got me very much interested to get into this field. So I especially work for self-healing concrete, the concrete that heals itself when it gets cracked. Yeah, that was my
self-healing,
memorable
self-healing, self-healing concrete.
self-healing. Yeah, self-healing concrete. Yeah. Just we will embed a bacteria into the concrete. The bacteria called as Bacillus subtilis. So in aerobic and anaerobic condition, when it comes to aerobic conditions, the bacteria starts to develop and it starts healing the crack. Yeah,
Wow.
that was a wonderful research that I had been to. I had been in that project.
Mhm.
So
So,
nice. That project was nice.
I'm sorry, where was that project at?
It was my one of my research activity for my PhD.
So what about some of, I guess, what is the one most memorable project that you've actually you worked on aside from the self-healing
Yeah, that
concrete?
self-healing concrete. Yeah, that
Mhm.
was my memorable project
Oh,
that I
self-healing
worked.
concrete. Uh-huh.
Self-healing concrete.
And so how long have you been with the companies here on Guam?
It's been 8 months. I've been here for Guam, and I've been working for for the company from past 1 year. Before I come to Guam, for 3 to 4 months, I had worked online in work from home. So after coming to Guam, it's been 8 months for me now.
So what do you think? What do you think about Guam?
Yeah, Guam is very beautiful, and yeah, it's nice. People here are very much supportive. Yeah, I like Guam.
Um, what does it mean to be, I guess, an engineer to you?
Uh, it's engineer means it's a lot of responsibilities
Hmm.
we should have, especially the civil engineering, the way we construct, and it's like analyze, design, and implement with great responsibility, ethics, and patience.
So in terms of, it is engineering week, so we want to spread awareness about, the job that you do and engineers in general. What advice would you have for anybody that's interested in this sort of career path?
Up, yeah, yes, yes. Apart from the skills, whatever the skills we do have, we need to have some basic engineering knowledge. So if we know the basic engineering knowledge, then only we can execute in a proper way. So not only it just means of knowing the skills, we should know how to design things. So the world needs engineer very much. So not only related to civil engineer, but all the engineering branch. Either it may be computer science, information technology, or artificial intelligence. Yeah. The world needs a lot of knowledgeable person. Yeah.
Well,
There is no knowledge, then there is no point of uh, being a human being. Yeah, we human being are tend to be like what do you call, generation to generation. We adapt to the certain conditions, and or what do you call that? Uh, we should get each and every time we should be updated to the current trend, what the world needs. So for that, we need engineering.
we thank you so much, Puneeth, for taking some time to talk with me today. Was there anything else you wanted to say about Engineers Week or being an engineer?
Yeah, like as I love my profession is civil engineering. To all the civil engineers, yes, the world needs civil engineer. The poor needs civil engineer for their basic shelter, and the rich needs for their lavish shelter. No matter what, all the human activities needs infrastructure. So for that infrastructure, we civil engineers are very much necessary.
All right. Thank you so much, Puneeth. And I'll see you
Thank you.
around. Okay. Take
Thank
care.
you. Thank you.
Again, this has been Engineering Guam's Future. Thank you so much for watching.